with my drone that crashed into the water, and I'm going to tell you the results of what I have observed after I dried the drone. So as you remember, I removed the battery, did not start the drone immediately after it got into the water, came back home, wasn't very in a hurry, got the hair dryer and dried it thoroughly. After that, I kept it one day without launching it, and the next day I tried it and the drone worked. But some of the parts of the drone actually failed. The drone still can fly. There was no effect on the functionality of the moving parts. As you remember, the drone fell into water. It was full of water. I checked the headless mode. I checked the flying capability of the drone. Nothing has changed. It can be synchronized as well. All those functions work. The only thing that doesn't work is the Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi signal anymore, which means I can't check if the camera is still working. But you see in the previous video that the camera was actually filming while in the water. That was very cool. I didn't know that it was filming at that moment. I turned off the video and I was able to save it on the phone. And my trick was that I didn't put the SD card into the drone. I was filming directly to the phone because I knew that if something happens to the drone while you're recording to the SD card, you will lose the videos, as in my previous tests. But if you record the video on your phone, if something happens to the drone, the video stops and the recording is saved on your phone. So let me prove that it's working. So it's connected to the remote control, calibration, factory calibration works, starting engines works. I'll fly it a little bit. Headless mode works. No problem with the coordination. So it's still flying. All lights are working. But if you check the Wi-Fi connection on your phone, there's no Wi-Fi connection. I tried to restart the drone. I tried to put another battery. I tried to check the Wi-Fi connection on different phones. There's no Wi-Fi connection. So which means that you may encounter yourself in a situation where you have the drone, you still can play with it, but you won't be able to record videos anymore without Wi-Fi connection. Still, this drone is not the best option for making nice videos. It's a beginner's drone which you can use to learn how to fly, and it's not a big deal. I think you can get a better one in the future and then enjoy another one. A new model is coming and I will be trying that one too. And this one will be used again for testing in water, again in the salty water this time. And I tried to improve my floating foam. I just tried to make it easier. I got the 3 foam balls and I will just attach them to the arms of the drone, because the previous foam that I used was not very stable. It was interfering with airflow, and this one I think will work better. Now I'm going to mount the foam on the drone and I'll show you how it looks like. I will also still try to look into the electronics of the drone and use a contact cleaner to see if anything can be done by cleaning the contacts inside. Also, I'll try to check if there's any rust that may have built up and see if I can do anything about Wi-Fi signal, and we'll keep you updated on that. If you're interested to experiment with foam too, I'll just tell you that I got this from the handicraft store, a regular foam, which is used for decorations. Got some rubber rings, cut out some space in here to put it onto the arms, cut out some space here to be able to put it tight on the body of the drone. This one slides in easily, just like this, sits in here. This one too fits easily, like this. The drone stands in a pretty stable position. I decided to put this foam under the camera because if the drone goes into the water, the splashes will go this way and will not go into the electronics part, because there's a electronic skin which is very close to the surface of the body and will be very close to water. And here there's only battery, shouldn't be damaging much anything. And these three foams are important because, and these three foams look to be very stable. I tried it in the water and I can't put the fourth one because it's becoming too heavy. My previous foam was 6 grams and this foam is 9 grams and it's flying okay. So in my next video I'll be flying the drone above the sea waters and waves, and we'll try to land on moving water and see if the drone will survive and keep moving. Normally for drones there are floating kits, you can buy them, and the ideal solution would be something like this. I actually even bought one to try to adapt it to the Eachine E58 because I thought that the size is almost the same. I tried to adapt it, but it was too heavy for the E58 drone, and finally it didn't work out. For those who are planning to buy in the future a Mavic model, just to let you know that these kits exist and you can buy them online easily, and they're not very expensive.